my crafty friends. I wanted to get on here today to show you the birthday card that I made for my son. You rock. Electric guitars, black embossing, and on the inside, happy birthday, a little guitar. You could barely see it, but I stamped off once. And let me show you the products I used. This is a guitar set from local King Rubber Stamp. If you recall, I did use the cherry blossoms from the same company. I will link that in the description below. And it's got all the different dies. It cuts out everything, all the stamps. I've got electric guitar, acoustic guitar in the case, and the man playing, and then some notes. And I also had this stamp set. My cousin got this for me. Somebody was having a garage sale and they were selling a bunch of stamps, so she saw that and decided to get it and send them to me. So anyway, the You Rock is still on the stamp. No, where is it? I must have taken it off to replace it with this other flourish, so I don't know. Anyway, and here's a drum set that I didn't use. And then the Happy Birthday to You is from a set that I got in a D-stash from Crazy Paper Chick. So I used the die for the guitar. It's got the indentations. Let's see, here we go. Let's see. And so I cut one out of white and one out of green. He just finished refurbishing a green guitar, so that's why I did that. And then on the inside, I stamped Happy Birthday to You in green. And then I used the little note staff flourish from the stamp set. I used kind of a champagne stickles and then ebony black Nouveau drops. And then, like I said, I stamped off the acoustic guitar. I told him that I was going to send him a card, so he's all happy about that. So I hope he likes it. So thank you for joining me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.